Hey there, investors! Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to swap XRP to Ethereum. This process is quick and efficient, so let's dive in. First up, choose a reliable crypto exchange. Make sure it supports the XRP ETH pair. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Once you've picked your exchange, head to the trading section. Next, select XRP in the You Send section. You'll need to specify how much XRP you want to swap. Double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Now, it's time to enter the recipient's Ethereum address. Be very careful here. Copy and paste the exact ETH wallet address. One wrong character, and your ETH could vanish into thin air. Once that's done, the exchange will ask you to send a deposit. This means you need to transfer the specified amount of XRP to a designated wallet address provided by the exchange. Follow the instructions closely, and once the deposit is confirmed, the swap will proceed automatically. Finally, you'll receive the Ethereum in your designated wallet. The whole process usually takes just a few minutes, but it can vary depending on network congestion. And there you have it, a seamless XRP to ETH conversion in just a few simple steps. Always remember to use a reputable exchange and double-check all addresses and amounts. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading!